Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Coding. So, in this session, we are going to learn about table tag, which is there in HTML. So, as we all know, we can draw a table in HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language, as well. Like we normally have table. Inside the table, what do we have? We have rows and columns. So, exactly same way we are going to do here. And as you all know, we have done all the coding in our online HTML compiler. So once for all, if you are expert, if we are hands-on on our HTML and CSS both, then we are going to move ahead with the Visual Studio app, Visual Studio application, which is a professional app where professional coders or developers can write their programs. But in compiler, why do we do that? Because for the beginners, if you have any errors occurring or you want to, delete your code or modify your code, you can do it in the online compiler. Whereas in application, Visual Studio, it becomes difficult. So let us start with the table tag in HTML. We have a normal HTML format, which I have already explained in the previous videos. You can go check it out. We have HTML tag, then we have a body. Okay, inside body, we write everything, whatever we want to write. So now I'm making a table. What I'm doing, I'm making a table, and maybe I want some months and savings. Like in January, I have saved this is dollars. In February, I have saved maybe $100. So we'll work accordingly. So here I'm opening table tag. To create a table, we have first table tag. What are tags? What are containers? I have explained already in the previous video. You can go check it out. And inside this table, as you can see, if I just draw a table, okay, we have month, we have savings of that month. As you can see, we have rows. Okay. So how many rows we have? 3 rows. How many columns we have? 3 columns. So columns are denoted by vertical thing and rows are horizontal. I hope this is very basic. It must be clear for everybody. Let me just clear this drawing. Okay. So as I have explained, we have rows and columns. So for rows in HTML, we have a tag, that is TR. What is TR denoted as? TR is known as table row. It's a table row. Okay, if you want, you can note it down. Then we have inside this TR, I'm making TH. Now, what is this TH? That's the table heading. So we have month. Okay, closing this TH again, I'm opening this table heading, savings. So we have two things, right? One, we have month and the saving of that month. So this row is closed. Can you see month and saving? It's a highlighted kind of thing. So it's a heading and it's the first row. Okay. After this, what I'll do, I'll open another row. Like this is the row 1. On the second line, I will be having row 2. So for that purpose, I'm using TR again. For the second row, TR and then TD. What is TD? TD is nothing but the data which we are going to insert. Suppose the month is January, TD close. And what is going to be, maybe I have a saving of $100. Close this TD. And of course, you have to close this TR as well. So you can see Yeah, like down the month, we are having January, and down the savings, we have our savings, which we have done. Okay, so this row is completed. Make sure if you want to make more rows, you have to open more of TR. Now, if I want TR, okay, like one more row, and the data here can be Feb. TD close. In Feb, maybe I have saved off $50. Now, what I'm doing is I am closing this TR again. Okay, so you can see we have months and we have savings accordingly. If you want one more month, then you have to open one more row for it. Then you have TD. Let us take March. TD. Then maybe I have saved only $20 as per of March month. Closing this TR as well. Okay. So this is my table, which I have created in HTML. Now I have closed everything. What is the three things which I have to close? Is table tag, body tag, and HTML tag. So I'll just close it now. Table tag close. Then we have body tag close. Then we have HTML tag close. So this code is completed for table tag. Just mm, okay. So this is nothing but a table tag in HTML. But as you can see, you don't have a proper table. Yes, you have your month. Yes, you have your savings. But the type of table is not presented. Like a proper lines and everything. So for that, what you can do inside the table tag, like the first table you are opening, inside that you have to put border equal to double quotes. You have two maybe. So you can see now the border has been selected and it is included here. Now some people will ask me, what is this 2? It is nothing but the thickness of the table, the thickness of the border. Suppose if you want to like thicker the border, so you can select 10 as well. Okay, so the number you go ahead, the thickness will also increase. If I take the, by default, I'll only take 3 as for now. So the border we have done with everything. So this is about the table tag. And always make sure that you are writing the row, and inside the row you have to give the heading of it, th, and then start with your data filling has a td, and for the row you have tr, for heading you have th. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll meet you in my next session with the next interesting video. Till then, bye. Take care.